We've really enjoyed the internet and social media. They entertain us and make life easier for us. But do you know what happens behind it? The most powerful technology companies feed our data to sell it to financial systems, companies and governments. Thus, they manage to manipulate our consumptions, behaviors and opinions. A serious violation of our privacy. Do you know how they do it? Hardware dependency. We have very few options in the market for tech equipment. There are only 2 big hardware companies and some brands that sell devices with those softwares. This is not a free market, and this situation adds a lot more surveillance to our lives. So what exactly can we do to get back our privacy? Now, all digital privacy solutions and strategies are available in online courses for your cell phone and computer, with the necessary tools to live in a different way, with tranquility and eyes wide open. Let's regain control of our privacy. Join Privacy World.